Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click that button below, leave comments. I'd really appreciate your support. If you don't know me, okay, my name's Darren, the Six Figure Dad, and today, even though I've done a review of Roadmap Exclusive already, I just had to jump on and give you a very short video today because what I've done is added some amazing bonuses, okay, to my business, but also to anyone who purchases Roadmap Exclusive through the link below, through myself. Okay, because Roadmap Exclusive, the creators, Hannah and Zach, okay, they're just wonderful, amazing people who I completely resonate with, okay, and I just think they're so honest, trustworthy. You talk about that know, like, and trust factor, wow, they've got it in abundance, okay, so they are forever going to be part of my business going forward. So as a result, I thought, you know what, I'm going to go all in with this because this is an amazing course that not just teaches anybody how to create an online business, but any business. That's where they've kind of shifted a little bit from Roadmap 3.0 to Roadmap Exclusive. Now it is more of an all-round business development and marketing course. So anyone can take this and create and develop any kind of business they wish to do so, whether it be online or otherwise. This is another level. So let me share what I'm going to give anybody who joins me. Okay, so this page you see right in front of you here, let me just show you the course initially so you can see what it is I'm talking about here. This is my account. I won't go and do a review, okay, because I've done that already, but you can see pretty much the layout of the new exclusive course itself. It talks about everything you need, okay, even talks about mindset, creating your own products and so on, the community, okay, customers, branding, compliance, becoming a dynamic partner, okay, everything you need to build a business online or otherwise. So let me just show you actually a little bit of what it looks like on the inside. If I open up this file here, so you can see this is obviously video 1, introduction to business, and so you can see and get a feel for what it looks like. Okay, this is what, there you go, you've got Zach there starting off the course, okay, you can see it's, I'll mute it there so you obviously don't want to listen to that, but you can see the feel of this course is just pretty amazing, okay. Aesthetically it looks fantastic, the content quality of the actual experience that they're going to be taking on throughout this course, the education is just another level, okay, everything you need. So anyway, so that's the course, okay. So if I now show you what I'm going to give you, okay, this is what I want to show you, it's brilliant. So in addition to the course itself, what I'm going to give you is this funnel page you see in front of you here. Yes, of course, you're going to be able to edit it out and add all your own links, but it's a funnel page that you can use in creating your own business. Now, in addition to this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a one-to-one video call with me to get you started. So if you have any questions, I'm there for you. But also I do give you lifetime access to me anyway, okay, via Messenger. So you're also going to get email flow templates so you can get something into your autoresponder and then you can start personalizing them. But it gives you a basis, okay. There's the lifetime access to me there, okay, that one. Bonus 4, now this is pretty amazing. This is a master resale rights ebook stroke guide, call it what you will, okay. It's TikTok training. I learned an awful lot from this and it works amazingly well. You can resell this for no less than $47 and I'm giving it to you as a bonus, okay. That's bonus 4. Bonus 5, again, and that's the PLR product, this one. Now, this is Successful Standstore, and it's going to teach you everything you need to launch your business on Standstore. And again, it's something you can resell for 100% profit, 97 bucks. Okay, it's yours. Giving it to you, free. Kickstart your success. Now, this guide it's really going to kickstart. It's going to give you all the content you need for the first 30 days. And that's just the start of it, okay, and you can resell that, of course, for $147, and I'm giving that to you also. This one has been very popular, okay, because Faceless has been a very popular basis for a lot of people's business anyway. So the actual Faceless Wealth Guide is a PLR product. It's something you can resell for 100% profit at $197 or more. Giving it to you for free. So pretty much you've got products there valued at around $500 that I'm giving you for free, in addition to the funnel, okay, and the emails and my support, lifetime access. So I can't do much more than that. All right, that is amazing, and I'm doing it because I have so much faith and I'm just really proud to be part of Roadmap Exclusive and the whole community. It's just a quality place to start your business, and in my opinion, the best place to start. So with that being said, here's a quick glance at the course again, very quickly. There's the Roadmap Exclusive, and you're going to get access to all this. Okay, this course is a one-time price of $597, and you can be an affiliate for this course, and this is again paying you 80% commission should you choose to resell the course. Now, you don't have to, but you're not, in my opinion, or it's certainly right now at the time of recording this, I don't believe there's another affiliate program out there to resell a course for anything near 80%. This has got to be the highest commission paid. And if I'm wrong, let me know in comments, but I'm pretty sure that is the case. So for me, at the price point this is set at $597 with 80% commission, it's a win-win. And remember, I'm giving you $500 worth of free products as well, plus everything else I've already mentioned. So with that being said, guys, I hope that's really giving you a little bit of an incentive to actually kickstart your business and take action. All right, so this page you see here, you can access it via the link I will leave below this video. Go and take a look. All right, take a look. You can purchase by clicking that button there. There's a video by Hannah, okay, as part of the Roadmap Exclusive itself. There's a bit of a sneak peek for you, and I've also added a video here. This is the video I created that is on my YouTube channel as well, but it's also there if you want to watch it again. And if you want to purchase, of course, you just click that button. It takes you through to the payment page, and that's obviously where you make your payment. There are also payment plans available, okay, so check that out. There's really no better time to get started, and I really hope to see you on the inside, because guys, that's probably the best deal you're going to find anywhere online. If I'm wrong, let me know, but you'll do well to beat that. And anyway, I'm always going to be here for you. We'll jump on a Zoom call. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop them below. The link's below. I hope to see you soon on the inside. Have a great day, guys. Take care. All the best.